Meetings often require your full attention. Still, you need to take perfect notes, track tasks, and send detailed follow-ups right after. That multitasking not only splits your focus but also slows down your workflow. What if you could automate all these with one simplified system? Radiant changes that hassle completely. This AI assistant listens in on your meetings, captures every key point, and automatically organizes them into summaries and actionable insights. You'll instantly get a structured recap with assigned tasks and due dates. No more manual typing or sifting through recordings. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how Radiant simplifies your workflow so you can actually focus on doing your best work. Since Radiant is a Mac-only app and is still in its beta phase, getting started is surprisingly straightforward, and there's no complex setup. Once you've created your account, you'll be dropped into the main workspace. You'll immediately notice the interface is incredibly clean and surprisingly simple. On the side, you'll find a navigation panel, but it's not cluttered with endless features. You'll see essential options like New Capture, Home, Chats, and Tools. Everything in Radiant begins in the New Capture section. This is the core feature that captures your meeting audio, whether you're on a Google Meet, Zoom, Teams, or even an in-person conversation, and is what unlocks all the amazing AI features that follow. Now, let's say you're in a meeting. If you have the Radiant app open, it'll recognize you joined a meeting and automatically capture it. A small meeting recording widget will appear on your screen that will let you know that the capture is active. And again, this is not a bot that joins a meeting and captures everything. It does the job without joining your meetings. Then, you can simply proceed with your discussion as normal. When the meeting concludes, you just click the red stop button on the widget to end the recording. The moment the recording stops is when the AI kicks in, and that's where we see the true potential of Radiant's features come to life. The app processes everything locally on your Mac, which makes it fast, secure, and ensures your private meeting records stay right on your device. Once your meeting has been captured and processed by the AI, the very first thing you'll probably want to check is the record itself. But not everyone might have the time to read through a full transcript of a 1 or 2 hour long discussion. This is why Radiant has a quick summary feature that takes that entire transcript and boils it down into a short, precise, and easily digestible summary, focusing only on the core discussion points and key takeaways. This offers an incredibly practical way to get a quick, accurate overview of a meeting in mere seconds, which allows you to catch up without getting bogged down in every minor detail. And yes, if you still need a transcript, you can get it. After clicking into the meeting record, the full, word-for-word conversation is laid out for you. If a team member unfortunately missed the meeting, they can easily check the full transcript to get every single detail that was discussed. This is immensely helpful. Moving on from just having a record of the meeting, every discussion inevitably brings a set of follow-up tasks that need to be delivered quickly to keep momentum going. Manually compiling those tasks, composing the email, and sending it to all the correct employees or clients is a huge time and effort sink. Radiant brilliantly solves this problem with its automated follow-up method, which is a massive productivity booster. Immediately after your meeting has been processed, when you return to your Radiant workspace for that specific capture, you'll see an option for drafting email meeting follow-ups to attendees. Clicking this instantly generates a precise and specific email draft, complete with the key discussion points and clearly defined next steps or action items. If anything needs a slight adjustment or clarification, you can easily edit the draft right there. On top of that, if you need even more tailored results, you have the option to literally chat with the AI about the meeting and give it more instructions on exactly what you want the follow-up to include or what tone it should take. That's one good feature among a lot of others. But what makes this truly exceptional is the ability to send those email drafts directly into Gmail. There's a Continue to Gmail option, and when you click it, a new email window instantly opens, and the subject line, email body, and sender details are all automatically pre-filled. All you need to do is quickly pick the correct recipients from your contacts and hit send. In just a couple of minutes, rather than the half hour it might take otherwise, you can effortlessly send all the meeting outcomes and follow-ups to your entire team or to your clients. Building on the efficiency of follow-ups, one of the most powerful and often overlooked features of Radiant is its AI scheduling capability. Imagine being able to schedule events and meetings just by randomly chatting with the AI using natural language. That's exactly what it allows you to do. You simply start a conversation with the AI, perhaps saying it to schedule an event. In response, the AI will naturally ask you a few clarifying questions, such as your preferred time, the duration of the meeting, who the final list of attendees should be, and the meeting's purpose. As you provide this information, the AI generates a visual calendar widget right there in your chat that shows all the details it has gathered. Now, in the corner, you'll see a Continue button that allows you to instantly schedule the event directly into your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. You'll find that all the information you just typed in, the time, the duration, and the attendees, is already pre-filled in your calendar application, automatically. All you need to do is share the meeting link with the attendees, and you're done. This is by far the fastest way to schedule a meeting, simply by having a natural conversation with an AI, which is an absolutely incredible boost to daily productivity. To make all of this efficient, Radiant comes equipped with powerful integration options. You'll find the full list of supported apps in the dedicated Tools section. These include popular platforms like Cursor, Gmail, Google Docs, Notion, Slack, Lovable, and more. The key to using this feature effectively is to first pick the tools you use most frequently for your daily work. For example, let's say you've integrated Google Docs and Notion. Now, when you have a conversation with the AI about a meeting, perhaps asking it to draft a project brief, you'll notice a specialized integration button, often labeled Copy and Open, appear near the response. This button allows you to instantly copy the AI-generated elements, like a project summary or a list of tasks, and immediately open them directly in a new document in Google Docs or as a new page in Notion. This one-click transfer of information from meeting to task or document is an incredibly efficient way to not only stay productive, but to ensure every outcome from your meeting instantly lands in the project management tools where your actual work gets done. It eliminates the friction of copy-pasting and tool switching entirely. So far, Radiant is not just another meeting note-taker. It's a dedicated personal assistant that transforms meetings into actionable results instantly. The ease of on-device recording, coupled with its smart follow-up and scheduling features, makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to reclaim hours of post-meeting administrative time. To try Radiant for yourself and start turning your meetings into momentum, you can find all the necessary links in the description below. Go ahead, give it a shot, and start your journey towards maximum productivity today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.